Dear President-elect Obama and members of the House and Senate, can you please tell me where this bailout is supposed to help me? I'm always hearing the bailouts have to help the homeowners. The bailouts have to help the homeowners. Well, I don't see the homeowners really getting any help. The banks and the mortgage companies have gotten rich off the American people for years. And now all of a sudden they've ran their companies into the ground. And who did they come running to? The very people who they got rich off of. So the Senate and Congress has to pass a $700 billion bailout package, because if they don't, unfortunately, the economy will go to heck in a handbasket. And now all of a sudden, the automakers want their slice of the pie. Well, I can tell you, automakers, why you're struggling. Is because no one can afford your cars. I certainly can't afford a $20,000, $30,000 vehicle. And I don't know too many people in my neighborhood who can. So getting back to me. I struggle every month to make my house payment. And I've made my house payment late for almost the last year. And do you see Chase, who's benefiting from all this? They're part of the bailout package plan. Do you see them volunteering to pick up the phone to call me or send me a letter offering to help me with a loan modification or a short sale? No. And you want to know why? Because they don't have to. Because fortunately for them, I make my payment every month. Although it's late, I still make it. And they get an extra $100 out of the deal. It's a win-win situation for them. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to make my house payment last month. And it doesn't look like I'm going to make it this month either. And that's due to unforeseen bad luck. My wife has had 3 knee operations, and come to find out, the person who did the first knee operation installed the part wrong. And so now we have to go back and have a 4th knee operation to fix all the problems. Our son, who's in Iraq fighting the war, gave us an unexpected $5,000 cell phone bill because we were kind of misled by the phone company about the plan. Well, we've got that rectified. Now he's able to call us for free on Skype, but we still have the $5,000 cell phone bill. And to top it all off, my car just took a dump on me. And guess where I'm at? Just past the warranty miles. So now I have to pay for that all on my own. So unfortunately, now I have to go out and get another vehicle so I can go to work still, and so my wife can still go to work, and so we can struggle to make our mortgage payment. So it just gets better every day. Now I ask you, do I deserve a bailout? Probably not. I mean, I moved from a bad neighborhood to a better neighborhood so my family could live in a better environment. If I went out my back alley, I might interrupt a drug dealer making a drug deal. And at night, sometimes we had to sleep on the floor because bullets were bouncing off the roof. I mean, that's just the neighborhood we lived in, you know. So we made a conscious decision to move on up into a better neighborhood. So I guess we put ourselves in this situation. So do we deserve a bailout? Probably not. But probably just as much as the banks or the automakers do. So anyways, if there's anybody out there that can give me any suggestions on how I can get out of the situation I'm in, how I can get out of the struggle I'm in, how I can get the bank to talk to me, to help me with a loan mod or a short sale. I don't want to mess the bank over any more than I have to. You know, I want to make my mortgage payment, but I can't. So if there's anybody out there that can give me some advice, please make a comment on my YouTube account and give me any helpful advice that you can. Thank you, and God bless.